It's a good idea to periodically back up your Groov Epic unit, especially before you install a software or firmware update. When you're ready to create a system backup, be sure you're logged in as an administrator from a mobile device or computer. You can't run the backup from the Groov Epic's touchscreen. From the Groov Manage home screen, select Maintenance and then Backup. You'll see a list of information that'll be backed up. The corresponding slider is green if it's going to be saved, but you can slide it to the left if you don't want it saved. It's probably a good idea to save everything though, such as any I/O you've configured, accounts you've created with user IDs and passwords. However, a secure shell account isn't included in the backup. Networking options, time zones, any licenses you've installed, and Node-RED flows you've created, including credential files. You should note any nodes you installed won't be saved and you'll need to reinstall those. Also, Sparkplug configuration information, the latest client SSL certificate you uploaded, and up to 10 megabytes of any user files that you uploaded. If you uploaded more than 10 megabytes, you can review the zipped backup file afterwards to see what was saved. The server SSL certificates don't by default get backed up because of the sensitive key information contained. But if you're taking steps to protect that information, move the slider to the right to back it up. Otherwise, you can install the server SSL certificate again after you've restored your backup. A few things that won't get backed up in this file is your GroovView project and your control programs. GroovView has its own backup option to save your work, and so does Pack Control with its archiving feature. When you're ready, select Download Backup. The backup file is downloaded and you'll need to save it. That was easy. You've backed up your Groov Epic system. Finally, as a last step, it's recommended that you apply some form of security, like encryption, to the backup file.